What is going on? I know you guys are getting sick of me because I am not putting the videos out there. I like I told you in a couple of other videos, or it might have been the one right before here, I am just so busy this summer. I moved. Me and my husband are moving. We're downsized. No need to have all this big old stuff. It's time to downsize. That's all we need. So we're trying to live a more simpler life. And we sold our house, so we're very excited about that. And we're now in a townhome that I am loving. So, So I just wanted to bring this quick video to you about the clip-ins that I have in. And yes, they are amazing. I just realized I left the boxes upstairs. So be back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So before I begin this video though about these clip-in extensions that I have in, I do want to talk about an amazing eyeshadow palette that I am beyond in love with. And excuse that Paula, it's a coat back there on boxes, so we're still moving. I want to bring or talk about this palette that I am in love with. I've worn it for pretty much 3 days straight. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No, 4 days. Monday. Today is Monday. You guys hear about this? Yes, your girl Jackie Aina came up with her collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. You guys need to go get it. I did not get on the bandwagon of trying to rush and get it because I knew it was going to sell out, and it did. It sold out, I believe, in 3 minutes. I said they're going to restock it, and they did immediately. Got the palette. I get a discount, so I was really happy about that because the palettes are a little pricey. But take a look. I have, been loving. And what I'm wearing on my lid today is a Lithuanian. And you guys know a lot of the things that she talks about is, or a lot of the names on this palette, or the names on this palette is what she talks about on her channel. So Lithuanian I also have Lithuanian on my lid. Oh, that was the brush. I have ginger to blend out. I have Big Wig under my eye. I'm trying to think of what else I have on. Oh, I definitely have pinker on. A lot of pinker in my crease. Yeah, I put a Wet n Wild blue liner at the top and just a black liner at the bottom, and then blended the black liner with Big Wig. Absolutely loving the palette. And what I really love about the eyeshadows is that they're stiff. And if you guys are makeup artists, you know what I'm talking about. Stiff meaning that they're just easy to blend, and they're not going to be a lot of fallout all over the place. There's not a lot of fallout. I love the palette. And you know Jackie Aina, I love her because she is about quality. If it's not quality, she's not going to do it. And she wasn't going to put it out unless it was quality. And Anastasia Beverly Hills is about quality. Now they've had a couple of palettes like Subculture that was horrible. I'm actually trying to sell that one now, but for the most part, Anastasia Beverly Hills is an awesome line, as you all know. So anyway, let's get into the extensions that I'm wearing. I think that they are amazing. This is the second time that I am doing a video for Amazing Beauty Extensions. I still have the other set. I have a video, and I'll put the link to that video. I did dye those. Love them. Or I should say I put some bleach in those. So they were kind of like ombre a little bit, and then darker at the top. These I just kind of left the way they are. They are shorter than the ones that I have on the other one. These are 16-inch. They came in a pack like this. I actually got two packs of 16-inch. I use absolutely every single extension except for the two little ones. I have a tutorial on how I put my clip-ins in. Now I did kind of cheat with these clip-ins. I actually parted my hair and made a ponytail at the top, and then all the clip-ins are all the way around up to the top here. Now this ponytail is actually a kinky curly ponytail that I got online from a website called Gear Best. However, they sold out of them. It's wefted hair. So I spin it around my ponytail. They sold out of the hair. I couldn't believe it because I was trying to tell my girlfriend and my cousin LaDonna about them, and because they wanted to do it as a sew-in and there was not enough hair, it kind of just sold out. So you could do a ponytail with clip-in extensions. I've seen the videos for it. Make sure you look that up. But anyway, how they sent the hair was instructions on this right here, on co-washing them, daily care. And yes, I did wash them and then I co-washed them. Don't ask me why. And then, well, I guess because I needed the conditioner. So I did that, and then I brushed them out very vigorously, you know, just with like a nice, you know, those brushes that have, not a brush that you brush your hair with, but you know, the little, you know, those brushes. But I brushed it out just to make sure it's not tangly. The hair is so soft, and I like to put either mousse in it or some type of leave-in conditioner and then go about my day. The hair is a little bit damp, and I kind of like it like that. By the end of the day, whew, it gets big, but not ugly big. I love it. Inside the box came a comb, both of the boxes, and a little clip thingy that, you know, if you're doing your hair naturally, so likes things like that. So as far as the smell, there's absolutely no smell. The hair is super duper soft. There's no tangling. There's like a little snag here and there, so there's one right there. But I have had this hair in my hair since Saturday. It is Monday, and I sleep in it. I put a big old bonnet on my hair. I sleep in it, and so when I wake up, the hair kind of looks like it's bunched like this. If I want to, I could just kind of fluff it out and go. I choose to wet it a little bit. So I just want to show you where your 16 inches falls on me. So right there is where it falls on me. So yeah, so not too long. I didn't want to go too long. I didn't want to go too big. I just kind of wanted to go more natural, but absolutely love these. I will have a discount code that'll be listed right at the bottom. The hair is amazing. And do I feel like you need 2 boxes? I actually do if you're doing a full head. If you're doing half your head and just want some fullness in your hair, then just get the 1 box. My hair, as you all know, I cut it all off, and it still is amazing. You can kind of see some of my short hair, like right here. If you kind of, I'll zoom in. So kind of, you know, a little beady bead. But I just kind of put a little gel in there. And then, of course, the ponytail at the top covers all the clip-ins right here at the top. But absolutely love it. And that is pretty much it. So make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I am going to try to put out some more videos, probably more hair videos than doing makeup, but once I get my life situated here at the new town home, I hope to put some more videos out. All right, love you guys. See you in the next one.